Unscrew the screws. Open the lock panel. Put in the battery. Connect the front panel. Tighten the screws. Connect the TTLOCK on the front panel. Connect the small keyboard. Unlimited passwords, custom passwords, single-time passwords or recurring passwords. This operation is to unlock with a random password. Add card to unlock. Add fingerprint to unlock. Go to Settings front panel. Here you could add random passwords.